Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our video of the Pit Boss Sportsman 820 versus Traeger Pro 780 Pellet Grill. Watch until the end to know our verdict on which pellet grill offers the best bang for your buck. So, the main difference between the Pit Boss Sportsman 820 Pellet Grill and the Traeger Pro 780 Pellet Grill is their power source. The Pit Boss Sportsman 820 features a wood-burning power source, while the Traeger Pro 780 features a wood-burning and electric power source. The electric power source on the Traeger Power grill allows you to access several digital control features that may potentially elevate your grilling experience. Against this backdrop, the Traeger Pellet Grill offers more power options and is more versatile than the Pit Boss Sportsman 820. That means that you can comfortably use the Traeger Power grill in situations and environments where power is a commodity or not. Cooking space. In general, 400 to 500 square inches of the cooking area is sufficient for the average household. However, if you're seeking to entertain a large crowd of people regularly, you might want to consider a pellet grill with a large cooking space for your grilling needs. The Pit Boss Sportsman 820 offers a cooking space of 849 square inches, while the Traeger Pro 780 offers a cooking space of 780 square inches. Based on this comparison feature, we can deduce that the Pit Boss offers a larger cooking area than the Traeger Pro. Size and portability. The Pit Boss Pellet Grill is larger than the Traeger Pellet Grill. This means that the Pit Boss Pellet Grill may be the best option for larger households, barbecue parties, and other situations that may need grilling large portions of meat. In terms of portability, however, the Traeger Pellet Grill is more portable than the Pit Boss Pellet Grill. This makes it a great option for camping and any other situation that may need frequent movement. Also, it's the best grill for average households. Hopper size. Hoppers, which are mounted towards the side of your pellet grill, are considered the stockroom for your extensive supply of hardwood pellets. Generally, the sizes of hoppers tend to vary across different grill brands. However, a typical bag of wood pellets for your grill would be about 12 to 20 pounds. In this case, the Pit Boss Sportsman 820 features a larger hopper capacity of 21 pounds, unlike the Traeger, which features a small 18-pound hopper capacity. Therefore, a 20-pound bag of wood pellets would easily fit into the Pit Boss pellet grill. With the Traeger Pro 780, you may be left with a strangely sized partial bag of wood pellets. Based on a comparison of the hopper size, the Pit Boss Sportsman 820 has an upper hand over the Traeger Pro 780. Comparison table. As per the table above, you'll notice the major differences between the Pit Boss Sportsman 820 pellet grill and the Traeger Pro 780 pellet grill in terms of their versatility levels and a power source. The Traeger Pro 780 features two power sources, electricity and wood pellets. The Pit Boss Sportsman 820, on the other hand, only works through its wood-burning power source. Similarities. Being high, direct heat methods of cooking, grilling, and BBG may require you to work around high temperatures of between 180 and 500 degrees Fahrenheit. To accommodate all your grilling and barbecue needs, the Pit Boss Sportsman 820 and the Traeger Pro 780 both offer a decent cooking temperature range, between 180 and 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Verdict: so which is better? With all factors considered, the Traeger Pro 780 pellet grill is the best bang for the buck. Besides being a budget-friendly pick, it's versatile enough to accommodate usage in both electricity-based and non-electricity-based situations. You'd be impressed by its durability, and it can accommodate the grilling needs of average-size households. If you require a bigger pellet grill to accommodate the grilling needs of a larger-size household or party settings, you can opt for the Pit Boss Sportsman 820, which is also just as efficient. Hey, if you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel. Also, let us know which other comparisons you'd like to see next from us.